Farmer Mike from Ophelia's bovine farm in the Jazz District where it lives. It's another impromptu master class, and isn't that beautiful? Getting ready for the World Cup here in Kansas City. And Farmer Mike live, very close to Ophelia's bovine farm, the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's bovine farm in the Jazz District where it lives. Okay, so some of you who have been following us know that Pablo, our YouTube famous farm cat, was stolen the other day, and I was able to track him and get him back. And at the time, I saw another 2 of our very distinctive missing kittens, Midnight and Tuxedo. But I was in a situation where I couldn't grab them at the time, and I needed some police support because the person may have had a weapon on him. And sure enough, when I went back the other day, check out one of those other videos, I actually found like a device that could be used as a shank or whatnot. Or weapon, basically, let's just say that. So anyway, I was out doing some tracking, and over the past few days, the tracker has been moving to this general location. So the tracker has been moving, but of course, it's on an encrypted iPhone network that you can't turn off on your phone. But every time it's in the proximity of someone's iPhone, it gives a ping, it gives a location. So I come down here, and I'm coming over here, and I'm looking, and I'm like, what is going on? I don't see anything. I'm like, what is going on? Trying to find the missing kittens. What is going on? I'm like, I don't see anything. Trying to find these missing kittens. Okay? And then I'm pinging really close. And I come here, and look at that. Look at that. A break in the fence. And I come back here, and I'm on the other side, exactly where I found Pablo, rescue Pablo, right here. And so this is the path, or the lair, I might say. So I'm coming over here, and of course, this is their mattress, and the other kittens were over here at the time. So this is some personal items, probably tied up. There was some cord, more than likely used as a string. Some other personal belonging, of course, that they'll be back for. And I came over here, and I was over here actually, and it was when I was over here that on this fence that I found Pablo's tracker. Now let's talk a little bit about why someone would keep this, perhaps. My hypothesis is that the person who stole Pablo doesn't really truly understand technology, knows that this tracker has worth, but doesn't exactly know what it does and what it can do. So what do we know? What do we learn? Well, we learned that definitely this is an area that they'll definitely be coming back to. So we're going to keep an eye out on this particular area. And this is an area that they're going to come back to. So about 20 or so wooded acres. Here's something. Somebody over there? I think I see somebody. No. That's just so that sign, that billboard sign, is being used by someone for some cover. So we're gonna come back out here, and I need some volunteers, maybe about 15, 20 people, and we can walk this area, and we're gonna listen, because I have an idea. I believe that those missing kittens are probably no more than 400 feet from this spot, and they're probably hidden in the daytime in some cages. And so we need to be listening for some meows Not hearing anything. Thought I heard a, yeah. Anyway, so we'll do that. And then also what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna put some cat food down here, out here in a container, and then come back and check it, see if it's been eaten. And look at this dish right here. So this looks like a water dish. Maybe they can get their water in here. So don't quite have the time of the day, but get some volunteers out here, canvass this area, and get those other two missing cats back, because I believe they're very close. Very close. So anyway, that's a quick update. Farmer Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass update on Pablo the Farm Cat at midnight in Tuxedo.